Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to discuss about tenses, basics of tenses. So let's move on to the definition of it. Definition of a tense. The word tense comes from the Latin word tempus, which means time. So tense denotes a time of action of verb. Okay, so it shows the action of verb and it shows the time, that at what time what you have done. Okay, and it's a word of Latin language, as you can see examples over here. Tense has three types: present, past and future. Present tense expresses an unchanging, repeated or reoccurring action or situation that exists only now. It can also represent a widespread truth. So present tense is about now. Okay. Past tense. Past tense expresses an action or situation that was started and finished in the past. The action which happened in the past, what you are done with, that is past tense. And future tense expresses an action or situation that will occur in the future. And future tense expresses that whatever you are going to do in the future. Okay. There are some subcategories of it. Present tense has four types, four categories of it, that is present simple tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. In the same way past has the same, in the same way future has the same. All four categories are included with the present, past and future. Simple tense. Today we are going to discuss about simple tense. So if the simple tense is, so in simple tense, if it is past, so we will use the second form of the verb, that is drink. If the simple tense is in present, so we will use first form, and if it is in the future, so we will use will drink. We will use will with the first form. Let's see the examples of it. For example, if the simple tense is this: past, present, future. If the same sentence is used in the past form of simple past would be I walked. Second form with the past. Simple present, I walk, first form. And the future, I will walk. So over here in past simple you need to use second form, in present first form, in future will with the first form. In the same way, past, if the past sentence is, past simple is I studied English, in the same way present simple would be I study English, and the future would be I will study English. So see, subject object remain the same, only the change is in the forms. If it is past simple, so second form, present simple first form, future simple is will plus study. So hope you understood the concept of tenses and it's the basics of simple tense. Thank you so much.